it's Halloween time, and there's a lot of ghosts and goblins out, but today, we're dealing with a monster.
That is right. The king of budget bashers, the Rlaarlo Omni-Terminator, is here. But not just any Terminator, we have the top tier one. That's right, we got the carbon fiber edition. Now this truck comes with everything you need to get it going. You got a USB charger, 2200 milliamp hour 3S battery, bunch of tools, high-speed pinion, spare diff gaskets, a wheelie bar, a bunch of parts to relocate your ESC to make room for a bigger battery. They also give you some cool stickers and decals to put on the body of the truck. I opted to go for a more cleaner and personalized look. The transmitter, if it comes included with the truck, is really nice. You have all your steering trims and dual rates right here. You also have channel 5 for the lights. There is a learning curve with this transmitter, so I recommend taking your time with it before you run your truck or watch a video or two. Turn the light on with the channel 5 button. All right. Alrighty, for the speed run, we're going straight to the high-speed pinion. Let's see what this thing can do. This thing's a little screamer. Gotta be really careful with the brakes. If you press them too hard, it'll front flip on you. All right, let's see what it did. Stop read. 40 miles an hour. All right, now let's see if we can get a little bit more of this graphene pack. All right, we got the graphene pack in there. Transmitter is unlocked. We have it at 100% power. You can really see that center diff working. Saved it there. All right, let's see what it did. All right, I'm gonna say it's probably doing 43. Stop read, 43, right on the dot, nailed it. I really like that the wheel has a nice thumbstick, makes it easier to film and drive. Yeah, this thing's a beast. Forgot what it's like driving one of these things. They're really fun and super controllable. Woo! Wow! We hit the tree, but we're good.
Did I mention this thing's durable? Freaking truck is sick. It's only doing 43, but definitely feels like it's going a lot more. Nice. Nice. Gotta watch out for falling branches. We had heavy storms. Haha, oh, almost landed it. Oh, we did land it, good. Freaking thing's so fun. So much control. Oh, whoa, what was that? Holy moly. This thing hit something and went airborne. Wow, it's a giant piece of wood. So we had an abort mission and it's the next day. There was way too many small children in the skate park and I feared for their safety and we lost a wheel nut. So check your wheel nuts, people. Hit that one more time. Woo! We are running the small pinion, so can't quite do a backflip, but air control is a lot better. Oh wait, there goes our backflip. Nice. Oh, tires are wet, so they're struggling to get traction. We hit something down here. Oh, it was just some trash. Woo! If I had the high speed pinion on, we'd probably get double backflips.